I agree with you that there are multiple factors that, kumbaga doomed itong creation ng ICI nito. Not enough funding, 'di ba? Not enough authority, and more importantly, not enough political will. But can you name at least one or two kumbaga na ginawa ng ICI na sa tingin mo tama naman that they are going in the right direction? Meron ba?
Ah, Very difficult question. Ano yun, um, actually, yung mga siguro yung mga field investigations, I think that's one. I think they did several ocular investigations, there's ocular inspections. They really went down the ground. I think that's really important for us to really understand. Ano ba rito yung ghost project, alin ba rito yung mga substandard projects. But I think that's just one part kasi of the equation. What is more important here is how they are going to solidify their commitment towards pursuing not just this initial findings. Kung parang tignan natin ano ba talaga yung mas malalim na kapupuntahan nito, sino-sino ba talaga yung mga tao na kailangan nating i-implicate dito, and dapat nagkaroon siya ng maayos na recommendatory mechanism, no, sa presidente, sa kahit siguro sa ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan like the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, no, para sana naipatawag man lang itong mga tao na to na involved. Because let's face it, no, the idea or the impression that is being given to the public is that hindi talaga sincero yung gobyerno dito, no, at kapag wala yung sincerity, wala yung integrity, nandoon yung agam-agam na may pinagtatakpan, may paglilihis na nangyayari, meron tayong ayaw tamaan. And I think this is something that the ICI, kaya nga siya independent, no. If it was created to be really independent, then it could have been done with, or it could have been given greater autonomy, no, na wala talagang na masasabi nating hindi na ibigay sa kanya, no. Kaya nga dito makikita natin marami talaga naging kahinaan, and kung magtatapos man siya ngayon, siguro masasabi nating walang masyadong tangible naman na outcome or walang tangible result, no.